Sam loved the sea. Every day after school, he would sit by the shore, watching the waves and collecting shells. One afternoon, while exploring a hidden cove, he found a small injured seagull. It had a broken wing and looked scared. Sam gently picked up the seagull and took it home. With the help of his parents, he made a cozy nest for it in a box and named the bird Sky. They carefully bandaged Sky's wing and fed it daily. Sam spent hours talking to Sky, comforting it, and making sure it felt safe. Weeks passed, and Sky's wing began to heal. Sam could see the improvement and felt a sense of pride and happiness. One sunny day, Sky started to flap its wings, ready to fly again. Sam knew it was time to let his friend go. He carried Sky to the shore where he had found it. With a mixture of sadness and joy, Sam whispered, "It's time to go home, Sky." He opened his hands, and Sky soared into the sky, flying higher and higher until it disappeared into the blue. Sam watched until he could no longer see Sky, feeling a sense of fulfillment. He had helped his friend heal and return to where it belonged. Sam realized that caring for others and helping them heal was a special gift. The moral of the story is, acts of kindness and compassion can make a profound difference in someone's life. Helping others, even in small ways, can bring great joy and fulfillment.